everyone, Shireen here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are unboxing the biggest PR package I've ever received from Drunk Elephant. Like literally, it is so huge and it's fragile, so you know it's something fancy. So let's go ahead and reveal what's in the fragile. Alright, I'm just gonna set this down on the table and try to open it up and show you guys at the same time because this is not something I can get like a top-down view of, only because it's so big. Alright, so once you open it up, there's a little card in here and it says, if I can get it out, "Hi, I'm thrilled to present my trunk 2.0. Welcome to the House of Drunk. Enjoy XO Tiffany." Ooh, I have a feeling this is for the holiday collection for 2018. Only because I know they're coming out with like 4 things. 2 of them have already been launched. It's the Agent Ellie and Inspector Drunk kit, which I unboxed on my channel. So just click right up here if you want to check that out and you haven't already. But I feel like this is probably like the 4th item because I'm pretty sure they just revealed the 3rd one too. Like it just dropped exclusively at Sephora on the app. Ooh, this is heavy. Hold on, I need to get up for this. Alright, so here's the box, and fragile, of course. This side up, and it just says Drunk Elephant, the Trunk 2.0. I just went ahead and cut this open with some scissors, so let's go ahead and open this baby up. Ooh, this looks pretty. It's like kind of see-through. Okay, literally, I do not know how to take this out without like destroying it because it says this side up. Like even if I set this down and I try to take it out, I'm struggling. Please hold. Okay, so the trick is to sandwich your hands in between the styrofoam and the box and just kind of wiggle it up until you get it all the way out. I mean, if you have a second person that's able to help you take this out, I would definitely recommend that, but it can be done by yourself as well. Strong, independent woman. Alright, so this is what came out of that box. Let's take off this styrofoam first. This is so cute. Hold on. I don't know if you can fully tell right now, but it's kind of like a little shelf. Oh, that's so adorable. Okay, let me just remove all of this bubble wrap. Does anybody else love popping bubble wrap? It's just so much fun. But really, the packaging on this is incredible. Like, everything is so well packed, like nothing is gonna break. Drunk Elephant, great job. Alright, now the moment you have all been waiting for. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Drunk Elephant's The Trunk 2.0. This is seriously so cute. It's like a little shelf of skincare, and then these top compartments open up as well. And then every single product in here is individually wrapped as well, so you know it's not going anywhere or breaking at all. Alright, here's a better look at the Trunk 2.0. So on the front we have this little shelf, and once you bring this little hatch up, oh maybe I have to, oh never mind. I was gonna say maybe I have to remove the sticker. Oh wait, never mind, yes I do. Okay, we'll come back to that one. So we have this first one. Once we open it up, there is a full-size Virgin Marula Luxury Facial Oil in here. And then right next to that we have Tango. Let me just take this out and pop those back in. Moving on to this one, we're gonna slide this out to reveal a lippy balm. And then moving right along in this one, ooh, okay, this one opens from the side, so you gotta slide up this part right here. And then, oh my gosh, wow. It's a full size of the best number 9 jelly cleanser. Literally love this stuff. It is so good and so gentle on the skin, and does such a great job of removing my makeup too, like even mascara. Oh wait, this slides out. That makes it so much easier. Okay, let me bring this up here. So then right next to that one, we have, I know what this is, sunscreen. This is so well wrapped. Maybe I should take off the tape. Actually, no, we're almost there. Ta-da! Umbra Sheer Physical Daily Defense Protection SPF 30. And these are both full sizes as well. Like literally everything in here is a full-size product. Alright, moving on to the front. I really don't want to remove the sticker because I still want to take pictures and stuff of this. Let me see if there's a way for me to open this without removing the sticker. Okay, so it appears there's really no way for me to open this up without cutting the sticker, so let's just do it. Have some eyebrow scissors right here. We're just gonna go ahead and cut this, and if you've been watching me for a while, you know that I'm not really a fan of destroying stickers, especially when they're so cute like this, but for you, I am doing it so you can see what's inside. And for that, my friends, I really deserve a thumbs up, like, for real. You're welcome. I'm destroying a perfectly good sticker for you. That, my friends, is love. And we did it. Hi MTV, my name's Shireen and welcome. Oh, I have to cut it the other way. Man, that ruined the joke. Hold on. Okay, take two. Hi MTV, I'm Shireen and welcome to my skincare shelfie. Alright, so same deal with this one, I believe. Right? This one slides out? Or not? I think it does, but I gotta remove this packaging up here. Let's see. Nope, just kidding. This one does not slide out, but that's okay. Oh, cute. It has like a little shelf holder thing. So first up, we have this TLC Sakari Baby Facial. I absolutely love this stuff as well. It leaves my skin so smooth. It's like the perfect exfoliator. And then we've got the Proteini Polypeptide Cream. And I actually have not tried this one, but I've heard a lot of amazing things about it, so I'm super excited to try it out. And last but not least, oh, I love this stuff as well. This is the Behydra Intensive Hydration Serum. This is such an amazing moisturizer. Like, it's just so lightweight, it's not scented, it's perfect for sensitive, oily, acne-prone, and sensitive skin, which is what I have. But even if you have just like sensitive skin in general, this whole line is amazing for you. Oh my gosh, wait, I totally missed one. There's another thing back here. Oh wow. So in this back one, we've got a TLC Frame Boost Glycolic Night Serum, and this one appears to be, oh, this is full size as well, 30 milliliters. And then right next to that, we have a C Firma Day Serum, and that one is also 30 milliliters. These two, honestly, are two of my favorite products from the entire Drunk Elephant line. They've worked such wonders for my skin, especially when it comes to clearing up my acne and just helping fade those acne, red marks, and discoloration. So in total, you're receiving 10 full-size Drunk Elephant products in the Trunk 2.0. I'm not really sure what the price point on this is because it didn't come with any sort of card, and I'm also not sure of the release date. There was this little booklet inside the trunk, so let's see if this actually says anything about that. Enter the house of Trunk. The Trunk 2.0 is full of everything you need and nothing you don't to take a clean break and reset skin to a healthy, balanced state. Alright, so this is basically a breakdown of all of the products that come inside the trunk and what they are, its suggested use, different tips for them. I'm not gonna sit here and read through all of that for you because we'll be here for days. Like, that's a lot of words, okay? And the other side is just the ingredients that are inside the products. So nothing on release date, nothing on price, but once I do find out that information, I'll definitely have it included in the description box down below. So check there, and I will also be keeping you guys updated on Instagram and on my blog, so definitely make sure to follow me there. I'll have those both linked down below as well. If you do want to learn more about all of these products still, I mean, actually I take that back. Not all of them, most of them. Make sure to check out my trying out the littles for a week and then the 1 month update videos. I'll have them linked up here and down in the description box too. You can see how they literally transformed my skin in a week and took me from having acne all over my face to clear skin. I talk more about the products and the texture and the ingredients and stuff like that in that first video, so definitely make sure to watch that if you're interested. So that is it for this Drunk Elephant, the Trunk 2.0. What is this? 2 point, is that even a point? 2.0. There we go. 2.0 unboxing. Thank you so much to Drunk Elephant for sending me this super amazing PR package. My skin will love this stuff and eternally be thankful. Literally, I tell everyone about Drunk Elephant because it is so good. Like, if you haven't tried them, try them. Let me know if you plan on picking this up when it drops at Sephora. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.